All right, so here we have a 2006 Honda Ridgeline, but basically what we're doing here is we want to do a rotation. We want to, rotate the tires. So the proper way, or a cross rotation, would be the front tires need to go to the opposite backside, and then the rear tires come straight up. The reason why is because your front tires get the edge wear, and the rear tires get the center wear. So we want to mix the pattern up so that it is against the pattern it has already developed in the front. Another good thing to do is just make sure that your tires are evenly worn across. That they're not feathering more on one side than the other. That would be an alignment issue. The same with shaking down your tire back and forth to see if you have any play. This would be something to do on the front suspension to see if you have tie rods, ball joints. Any kind of wheel bearing play would be any which way. Just so you know, if you do see a problem with the way it wears, what to inspect, where to shake it down. So we'll go ahead and zip the tires off. All right, so I have the torque wrench set at 95 foot-pounds. What I'm going to do is go around the vehicle. I'm going to torque all of them, and I'm going to use a cross pattern. So I'm going to do this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, and this one, so that it pulls it in on an even flush. All right, so we're all set now. We're ready to take it for a test drive.